This is the best thing about radio. Otherwise, when you see TV or something, it's not two-way communication at all. But radio has the best thing that people can call you up and they can actually interact with you.
What is that one quality that you always need to have as an RJ?
You have to be very authentic. Whatever you are saying, that's you. You cannot have two split personalities when you're off air or on air. You have to be naturally what you are. You have to be same.
I believe मीनू तो बहुत अच्छी आरजे बन सकती है because she is totally what she speaks.
I am a very emotional person. As an emotional person, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा because हम लोग ना छोटी छोटी बात पे हमारे इमोशंस बाहर आ जाते हैं. मेरे तो खैर फेस पे आ जाते हैं. मैं तो ऑनलाइन रो ही पड़ूंगी.
You have to manage, like you have to maintain both the things, balance out everything out in a same manner, so that people, whenever they are listening to you, they feel happy.
जिस दिन मैं अपसेट हुई उस दिन मैं आज मेरा मूड बहुत खराब है.
Yeah, it's a challenge also at times.
Yes.
Like when you are not in a good mood, आज आपका breakup हुआ and the next moment you are like, hi guys, I'm not cheering up. You're not cheering yourself.
I can't do that. अगर मुझे करना हो ना, आज मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया.
तो अभी बीच में आपने बात किया कि आपके हेल्थ इश्यूज थे, है ना? तो हम जानना चाहते हैं थोड़ा सा कि क्या हेल्थ इश्यूज रहे थे and what was the struggle around it?
All of a sudden I got to know that I have to go for ultrasound. Ultrasound के लिए गई तो फिर डॉक्टर ने मुझे बड़ा डराया कि there's something serious. You have to consult oncologist. I went to onco. Then the checkup happened, needle therapy happened, and then biopsy happened, and that's how I got to know that I'm on cancer first stage.
Oh.
And it was breast cancer, BRCA1. So that's when the struggle actually started. I had to leave radio. The most loved thing I had to leave because of my health issues. Now all of a sudden there's a big hurdle where you have to face and you have to see that are you gonna be alive to see all that?
ऑब्वियसली इंडिया में इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं है फीमेल हेल्थ इश्यूज को लेके. तो जैसे आपने बोला कि पीसीओएस था, तो कई तो ऐसी फीमेल्स होंगी जिनको पीसीओएस के बारे में बिल्कुल अवेयरनेस भी नहीं होगा.
Women, as a women, you are taking a lot of stress on yourself. घर, बच्चे, काम. So your health should be your priority. And if your health is good, then you are able to do everything. I was so mad behind radio that I was not taking proper rest and everything. And that is why I started hating also radio. Like the most loved thing I started hating also. That because of this I got cancer and I'm going through a lot of. And when I was going for radio therapies, every time I was cursing that why I went to radio. Hi, this is your RJ Vinny and मैं आज अपने स्टूडियो से निकल कर आ गई हूँ बाहर एक दूसरे स्टूडियो में जहाँ पर दो लड़कियाँ जो हैं, नॉट लड़कियाँ, दो लेडीज मेरी तरफ देख रही हैं बहुत प्यार से. एंड आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एंड फीलिंग देयर फीलिंग बहुत अच्छे से कि उनका पॉडकास्ट इज विद मी टुडे एंड इट इज 3 She Inspire. और ये दोनों बैठ के मुझे इतना ज्यादा इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं ना दैट आई एम फीलिंग कि मैं इनको इंस्पायर कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी, वो तो हम इस पॉडकास्ट में दोनों मिलकर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. लेकिन हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट
RJ Effect. Welcome RJ Vinny. Welcome to Stree She Inspires. And thank you for hijacking our podcast.
I'm so overwhelmed and I'm feeling like कि आज तो बहुत सारे questions spicy से कुछ होने चाहिए, है ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So question हम ही आपसे पूछ रहे हैं ना?
नहीं question मैं आप लोगों से पूछ रही हूँ.
ये तो टोटली हाईजैक हो चुका है. ओके, आज हम अपने पॉडकास्ट पे गेस्ट हैं.
Yes, you guys are guests here. So we will start with your journeys, that how you started this podcast and where and how you got the idea कि विनी को यहाँ पे बुलाना चाहिए.
So okay, I think I will let Ritu explain that.
विनी,
Safest play कर दिया मैंने.
हाँ देख लो. ये जर्नी हमारी शुरू हुई 1 साल पहले when I met मीनू. और हम लेक पे मिले सबसे पहली बार और वो फर्स्ट साइट लव था.
फर्स्ट साइट लव. हवाओं में प्यार.
इस डायलॉग पे हार्ट्स उड़ के आने चाहिए.
So that's how फिर there was no looking back, Vinny. और हमारी जर्नी धीरे धीरे जो, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि शी इज द फाउंडर ऑफ ट्राई सिटी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, राइट? शी रन्स अ ग्रुप जहाँ पे इन्होंने चंडीगढ़ के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को कनेक्ट कर रखा है और बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर रखा है। और उसके बाद हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना उनकी जर्नी को शेयर किया जाए, बिकॉज उनकी स्टोरीज इतनी मोटिवेटिंग थी। तो ऐसे ही रात को आई वॉज इन हरियाणा एट दैट मोमेंट और ये जीरकपुर में बैठी थी, तो हमने ऐसे कॉल किया। मैंने कहा मीनू कुछ करें ऐसा, तो शी सेड ओके चलो। शी इज ऑलवेज ईगर, मतलब
कुछ करे बालों का नहीं, लेकिन पॉडकास्ट में
अच्छा बताओ नाम क्या होगा? तो नाम क्या होगा, एक सेकंड में नाम क्या सोचो? तो आई सेड लेट इट बी बिकॉज वी विल बी फीचरिंग फीमेल्स, तो हम स्त्री रखते हैं। तो शी सेड ओके आई लव द नेम। आगे तो मैंने कहा शी इंस्पायर्स, सो दैट्स हाउ द नेम केम। और उसके बाद सारा टास्क इन्होंने पूरा करना शुरू कर दिया। इट केम एज अ सरप्राइज टू मी, ऋतु स्टूडियो आ जाओ।
I got the studio made, मैंने लोगो डिजाइन कर लिया, मैंने क्रिएटिव्स बना लिए, इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट बना दिया, यूट्यूब चैनल बना दिया। मतलब इट्स लाइक ये प्रिंसिपल ने मुझे ये होमवर्क दिया है और बस वो होमवर्क मैंने फटाफट, आई थिंक विद इन अ वीक एवरीथिंग वाज रेडी, एवरीथिंग।
Meenu ma'am, you tell me about the story. Okay. Now you tell me the story behind this logo, because it is actually very, very inspiring. So what was the thought behind this one?
So I wanted a Stree, and Stree she inspires me. एक चीज बोलूंगी, though it's an initiative of Tri-City Women Entrepreneur, but इसमें जरूरी नहीं है that you should be an entrepreneur. Stree मतलब it can be any Stree. It can be your mother, even if she's a homemaker. She's more than welcome to be part of this podcast. We are, you know,
invite मिल रहा है.
so we are showcasing inspiring stories. That inspiration can come from a 10-year-old to a 70-year-old. तो वो जहाँ से भी मिले, no matter what, उनका एंटरप्रेन्योर होना जरूरी नहीं है। अगर आप एक वुमेन हो, एक स्त्री हो और आप इंस्पायर कर सकते हो लोगों को और कर रहे हो, so you are more than welcome to be part of our show. About this logo, the color I took from the TWE logo because I am just so in love with this color. I think it's very vibrant. And मैंने हमेशा ये जो आप स्त्री में आई की जो बिंदी देख रहे हो ना, उसको हमेशा यहाँ इमेजिन किया। And though it was her idea, she gave me some inputs, but उसको वो जो प्लेसमेंट करके किस तरीके का, it can be round also, but if you see that बिंदी थोड़ा सा वो साइड्स उसके ये नहीं है,
like we apply रोली on our
yes, it's a रोली बिंदी।
और मैं यहाँ मीनू को, एक मिनट आप दोनों को कर रही हूँ, मैं हमेशा मीनू को कहती हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारे स्त्री में या TW में आई एम अ गार्निशर, बिकॉज आई एम अ फूड कंटेंट क्रिएटर। तो मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन काम करती है, काम सारा ये करेगी, मैं आके एक चीज बोलूंगी एंड आई विल टेक ऑल द क्रेडिट्स कि मैं कर रही हूँ। मेहनत इधर से आती है और मैं सिर्फ ऊपर से वो नमक शमक डालती हूँ। एंड
सारा खाना बना लिया, अच्छा ये थोड़ा सा डालो, अब ठीक है।
बिंदी का आइडिया था एक्चुअली कहाँ प्लेस होना, दैट मीनू डिड।
And so there is a Stree, there is a bindi, and leaf that you see on the logo, it represents wings.
Okay.
So it's like giving wings to her stories, so that वो उड़ के हर जगह जाए, हर जगह पे।
So inspiring, and I guess जैसे एक friend दूसरे friend को complete करता है ना, and that's how you guys are actually you know completing each other with Stree, she inspire, and मुझे दोनों ने अभी मिलके एक बहुत ही amazing idea दे दिया कि female friendship के ऊपर there should be a podcast. And guys,
and I think we should be your first guest.
yes, I was saying because
Stree, she inspires.
Yes. देखो हमारा पर्पस स्त्री शी इंस्पायर्स का पूरा हो गया आज, है ना?
Yes. मतलब मेरी हाईजैकिंग थोड़ी सी तो काम आ गई,
थोड़ी सी नहीं, आपकी हाईजैकिंग पूरी काम आई है। But I'll tell you, for the first time in my life, after long time, I can say that from past 2 years, I am surrounded with right kind of women, and I think उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी blessings कोई नहीं हो सकती. So thank you, Ritu, and thanks to all the women who have inspired me in my journey, helped me, supported me. Thanks to all of you. And I'm telling you, having the right circle of women can do wonders in your life.
Exactly, because a woman knows how to uplift the other women. And it's the same way around. They know how to downgrade you, but the one who inspires you actually is the one who want to see themselves to grow.
Yes.
Otherwise, there's always a jealousy factor.
Absolutely.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
And I think we all have gone through those kind
Yes,
of friendships also.
yes.
But I'm happy that those friendships are over and we are over them. So now we are with right kind of circle, and we are uplifting each other, empowering each other, learning from each
Winnie
other.
with us.
Yes.
She herself has a very inspiring story to share today on our
I would love
podcast.
to hear.
Winnie, आपने बहुत hijack कर लिया.
हाँ,
Oh my God.
अब बस.
We are taking back our leads. तो अब questions हम आपसे पूछेंगे. तो सबसे पहला मेरा question ये है विनी कि how did your RJ journey started?
So it's you'll find it very funny also. I was in 9th standard when I thought that I'll go for RJing, and it happened over the conversation with my friend. Like back then I used to call best friend, and it was like he was saying your voice sounds very different over the call. It feels like you are talking to some celebrity or something. And oh wow! And like सामने से you are very बदतमीज and all that, but over the call it feels like you're talking to some celebrity, and I got into the celebrity feel altogether. Then I thought okay, I'll start with the singing, but singing was taking my whole patience, and I'm very impatient. Then I thought ये तो नहीं होगा. And luckily in my school, when I changed the school, for my 9th and 10th there was another school, and 11th 12th there was another. When I moved my school, there it was a community radio station was there, and I just fell in love with radio.
Oh.
And that's how this started, and there was no looking back thereafter. And when I came to college, for some time I went into debates and all that, but radio was not there. All of a sudden there was some RJ challenge happened with MTV and Red FM, and I participated in that, and I was in top 3 all of a sudden. It just happened. Then
So it was easy at that time to get opportunities in radio.
it was never easy in radio, but I don't know how it was just happening,
So it
when
was
luck is
smooth for
there.
you. Luckily, it was smooth for you.
Yes, then it was very smooth, and then I left radio for some time because of health issues and everything. First my mom's health issues, she was also a cancer patient.
Okay.
And then after when I came back to radio, it became so difficult to get back to radio and starting as a radio jockey again. Then I had to start again with the internship from zero, and then after 2 years I was able to become RJ. So it happened like this. But the funny story is it's just started with a conversation.
So you got into completely celebrity feel कि हाँ आवाज अच्छी है बोल दिया है तो I'm going to become radio jockey.
Yes, that's the Sri she inspires. तो मेरे को किसी ऐसे inspire कर दिया कि your voice is like celebrity, so become a celebrity. And I thanked him the day I became RJ. I called him and like, thank you so much, yaar. That actually the joke thing actually worked out for me so well.
So विनी असलियत में कितनी ये जर्नी इजी रही है आज तक? Because last time we had a conversation, it was like something were coming up in your mind and then you shifted to Delhi. तो वो जर्नी क्या सच में स्मूथ रही है या there were struggles in this?
I believe when you are passionate about something, so struggles never feels like struggle. It feels like a part and parcel you have to go through, and then you reach that level. So it was more or less like this. Of course, when I was last I was hosting a show in Haryana itself, Karnal mein, with Radio City, and it was amazing. I loved my job and everything. When I was on air, it was very nice, but my health was not doing well there. So I had to shift back to Delhi because the weather and everything was not suiting. And touchwood, I'm back to Delhi, and now I'm hosting not just for one city, it's for for whole India, where people can join in on the live platform and they can listen to me. And it goes every day 9:30 to 11 on Friend application and on Pocket FM as well. There are so many audio series with my name, so people can actually go and listen to me now anytime. So that's another kind of a feeling.
विनी मेरा ना जब भी मैं रेडियो सुनती थी मेरा एक बड़ा क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन होता था अपने आप से, ठीक है, मतलब छोटे से भी अब बड़े भी हो गए हम तो चलो जब भी हम सुनते हैं किसी को बात करते हैं ना तो मैं हमेशा एक इमेजिन करती थी सिनेरियो कि ये अकेले बैठ के अपने आप से बात करे, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वन साइडेड कॉन्वर्सेशन, ठीक है, सामने वाला सिर्फ सुन रहा है तो वो कितना मुश्किल होता है, किस टाइप का सेटअप होता है, कैसे आप रिकॉर्डिंग करते हो, और यू नो ये कितने ड्यूरेशन का होता है। बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से एक चीज चलती थी बचपन से, यार ये कितनी देर अपने यू नो अकेले बैठ के बात करते रहते हैं। इज देयर अ स्क्रिप्ट यू फॉलो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्लान यू मेड, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताओ आप।
Okay, so it is more or less like you get a idea when you start hosting a show. First time when I saw the radio setup and I was like very excited that this is the thing that I always wanted to do. Mic is there, but the same factor came in, that to whom talk to whom. And so what we used to do is like there'll be one Ganpati ji sitting in our studio, so we used to feel like we are talking to him. Or otherwise some RJs, what they do is they take Laughing Buddha or somebody, just sit, like they put it on the feathers and they're like, we are talking to this person, and they feel like they're talking to multiple people at
And
the
that
same
is so
time.
beautiful actually.
Yes, so it's all imaginary world we live in when we are in studio. What we are saying on air is of course fact and all, but with that there's an imagination that we are talking to multiple people at the same time while just looking at Ganpati Ji. So that used to be a thing. And with that, it's the radio is the way you said, like it's a one-way communication, but it's not actually. It's two-way communication, because people can call us, and a lot of time what happened, like some fact 5 minutes before it was something else and I said it on air, so people will call and like, Vinny, this is something else now, you said something on, and I'll go on air and say sorry, and it's so it's a two-way communication. This is the best thing about radio. Otherwise, when you see TV or something, it's not two-way communication at all. But radio has the best thing that people can call you up and they can actually interact with you. So RJs that is why they are the bigger celebrity than the TV stars, or in fact the anchors.
Very nice. What is that one quality that you always need to have as an RJ?
You have to be very authentic. Whatever you are saying, that's you. You cannot have two split personalities when you're off air or on air. You have to be naturally what you are, and so that when people are meeting you in person, they're not feeling that they're meeting somebody else. You have to be same. And if you are you're not faking anything up, then you can remain actually very much similar into everything. And always happy is the thing that you have to give the vibe to everybody. That's the only thing that sometimes it becomes hard. Otherwise, it's the most amazing thing. Like as a RJ, I feel.
I believe मीनू तो बहुत अच्छी आरजे बन सकती है, बिकॉज शी इज टोटली व्हाट शी स्पीक्स लाइक. मतलब जब भी ये बात करती है जो ये है, तो हम ज्यादा फर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं. व्हेनेवर शी हैव दिस चैनल मीनू का कारोबार, तो वो बोलती है जो ये फील करती है. So that way, I always feel her. I see her there also.
So in my Karobat series, I'm a very emotional person. And I am very open about it. I am not ashamed about it. Some people, they hide their emotions. Some people, they hide their story. I think you need to be very authentic.
Of course.
You need to let people know what you have gone through and what you have faced in life, about your challenges, about your success, about everything. And as much as people will know you, they will respect you.
Of course.
And there are people who will judge you, but Vinny, मुझे ये लगता है कि वो इतने से होते हैं, आपको support करने वाले इतने हैं. So, उनके लिए तो at least be authentic. In my कारोबार, I talk about emotions. I touch people emotions. I talk about my experiences. I pick up topics related to my astrology, related to my experiences which I have gone through in my life, in my relationship, career, or whatever it is.
Yes.
So, जैसे ही कह रही है कि मेरे लिए तो बड़ा इजी है बनना, बट मैं बताती हूँ एज एन इमोशनल पर्सन मुझे लगता है बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा. बिकॉज हम लोग ना छोटी छोटी बात पे हमारे इमोशंस बाहर आ जाते हैं. मेरे तो खैर फेस पे आ जाते हैं, मैं तो ऑन एयर रो ही पड़ूंगी. सो आई थिंक बीइंग प्रैक्टिकल, मुझे लगता है
being practical, of course, and being emotional also at the same time. You have to manage, like you have to maintain both the things, balance out everything out in a same manner, so that people, whenever they are listening to you, they feel happy.
Yeah.
They don't feel that sadness is coming in your voice at all. Because anybody who is listening you, they are there to actually listen you and to be cheerful.
Yes.
You have to be cheerful always. That okay, I'm there to check.
जिस दिन मैं अपसेट हुई उस दिन मैं आज मेरा मूड बहुत खराब है.
You know, it's a challenge also at
Yes,
times
yes.
that when you are not in a good mood. आज आपका breakup हुआ and the next moment you are like, hi guys, I'm here. I'm gonna cheer you up. You not cheer
I can't do
yourself.
that. I can't do that. अगर मुझे ये करना हो ना, आज मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ।
दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आरजे। जैसे हम आकाशवाणी सुनते थे पहले विनी, दैट वाज वेरी प्रॉपर वाला, है ना? वो एक ऐसा लगता था कि बस वो यू नो स्क्रिप्ट है, और उनकी आवाज भी इतनी मॉड्यूलेटेड होती थी कि यू नो वो एक सेट पैटर्न में ही बोलते नमस्कार साथियों, आपका आकाशवाणी में दैट वे इज लाइक यू नो, तो वो चीज होता है। बट आरजे इज ऑल अबाउट वी एज पीपल कनेक्ट, लाइक हम आपकी बातें सुनते हैं। अगर आपका ब्रेकअप भी हुआ, यू कैन ओपनली से दैट एंड वी पीपल कैन रिलेट टू दैट थिंग। दैट इज अ ब्यूटी व्हाट आई बिलीव कि वो इतना रियलिस्टिक हो चुका है। रेडियो इज देयर
आज की डेट में being realistic, I think people love that.
Yes, and
People
that is
are-
why now you see on Instagram and everywhere on social media, people are like, you know, putting the hashtag also that it's the realistic or real life experience, something like that, or unfiltered something. It's actually in the trend because they want to see the real side of it.
Exactly,
Nobody
they
wants
want
see
to
the-
know what's going on with your life. मैंने बस ऐसे ही आई वॉज वेरी इमोशनल दैट डे। एक दिन बैठ के
हाँ.
मैंने ऐसी 15-20 सेकंड की एक रील बना दी जिसमें मैंने ये बताया कि बैक देन जब मैं व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी अ पीपल प्लीजर, तो मैंने ये किया, ठीक है, बट आज की डेट में I have that transition or whatever. That reel got so many views. It went viral. I was like, people want to hear this.
Actually,
Ah.
people want to hear, hear the unfiltered zone
Yes.
where you are real, because not many people are real out there. And if somebody is real, that makes them authentic at the same
Yes.
time. And then
Yes.
people feel that they are connected to you.
Yes.
That's what radio jockeys are also for, you know. People feel connected because they can talk to them. They feel.
तो आपको लगता है ना मैं आरजे बन सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल, come hijack my show someday. I would love.
नया ऑफर आ गया।
मेरा बॉस देख रहे हो प्लीज, मैं दे रही हूँ अपना शो एक दिन के लिए, परमिशन दे देना।
मैं आ रही हूँ।
You know, this was my launch name. I mean, launch आई, so when you're about to be launched on air, so your name is not revealed. So it was like वो आ रही है for right? Actually for 1 week से मैं आ रही हूँ, so same is happening again.
तो विनी, अभी एक चीज हमने आरजे की बात कर ली, तो अभी बीच में आपने बात किया कि आपके हेल्थ इश्यूज थे, है ना? तो हम जानना चाहते हैं थोड़ा सा कि क्या हेल्थ इश्यूज रहे थे एंड व्हाट वाज द स्ट्रगल अराउंड इट। यू टोल्ड अस योर मदर वाज स्ट्रगलिंग, तो आपने ब्रेक लिया बीच में से एंड देन यू शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम हरियाणा टू दिल्ली, तो थोड़ा सा उस चीज के बारे में हमसे बताएं।
So I was doing radio back then in Delhi only, and all of a sudden, like, everything is going fine, nice, and you know, you have planned everything around, and all of a sudden I was a PCOS patient and I went for a regular checkup कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं आ रहे मुझे periods ठीक से, and then all of a sudden I got to know that, you know, I have to go for ultrasound के लिए गई, तो फिर डॉक्टर ने मुझे बड़ा डराया कि that's something serious, you have to consult oncologist. I went to onco, then the checkup happened, needle therapy happened, and then biopsy happened, and that's how I got to know that I'm on cancer first stage.
Oh.
And it was breast cancer, BRCA1. So that's when the struggle actually started. I had to leave radio, the most loved thing I had to leave because of my health issues. And then after the journey was like, you know, it all changed. Like, you have planned everything, and now all of a sudden there's a big hurdle where you have to face, and you have to see that, are you going to be alive to see all that? And that's when this started, like, you know, radio got second spot. Not second spot, like, it was lost for continuous 2 years. And I was just focusing on my health and everything. I gained 17 kgs of weight at that time because I was on total bed rest.
So विनी, बेसिकली जैसे आप बता रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली इंडिया में इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं है फीमेल हेल्थ इश्यूज को लेके। तो जैसे आपने बोला कि पीसीओएस था, तो कई तो ऐसी फीमेल्स होंगी जिनको पीसीओएस के बारे में बिल्कुल अवेयरनेस भी नहीं होगा। दो लकीली सोशल मीडिया इज क्रिएटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ अवेयरनेस। आप अपने शोज पे बहुत अवेयरनेस लाते हो, मतलब आप बहुत चीज़ों को हाईलाइट करते हो। तो कहीं ना कहीं जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि यू वर नॉट इवन, आई बिलीव यू आर एट सच अ टेंडर एज, एट यंग एज, जहाँ आपको ब्रेस्ट कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ। सो वो चीज़ एक फीलिंग रहता है, यू नो, व्हाई इट हैपेंड टू मी, यस, व्हाई इज इट मी। एंड लकीली यू वर दैट अवेयर कि आपको वो अर्ली स्टेजेस में डिटेक्ट हो गया एंड यू कुड वर्क ऑन इट। सो शेयर मोर थिंग्स अबाउट इट सो दैट हमारी ऑडियंस जो इतना कहीं ना कहीं अपने हेल्थ चेकअप्स को डिले करते हैं, मतलब कि मैं और मीनू भी उसका एक पार्ट है, आई बिलीव कि हम अपने फैमिली में इतने इनग्रॉस्ड रहते हैं कि हम अपने हेल्थ चेकअप्स को कहते हैं कि कोई बात नहीं, बाद में देख लेंगे, बाद में देख
But
लेंगे।
that should not be the thing. We should take our health the most priority thing. क्योंकि women, as a women, you are taking a lot of stress on yourself. घर, बच्चे, काम, then if you're an entrepreneur, then you have to see your business also, and you are hosting a podcast. So like multiple things you're doing, multiple hats you're wearing every time. So your health should be your priority. And if your health is good, then you are able to do everything. If that's not good, then you cannot. And the thing you said, like, you know, why me question. So it never actually came in my mind, not for 1 second also. I was like, okay, it's first stage, so I was happy with that only, that it's first stage, I'll get through this. And why me never came, because I've seen that thing happen. So my Nana ji was cancer patient, then I seen at very young age my Mami ji, she could not survive it through cancer. Then my mother was detected with tumor, and then I got to know about this. But that was this question was there, that why at very early stage. So when I asked doctor the same question, they explained me in very good scenario that it actually because of the stress level which got increased, and that was because of radio. I was so mad behind radio that I was not taking proper rest and everything, and that is why I started hating also radio. Like the most loved thing, I started hating also, that because of this I got cancer and I'm going through a lot of. And when I was going for radio therapies, every time I was cursing that why I went to radio.
मतलब कि हम सब एडमिट करते हैं कि स्ट्रेस इज अ बिगेस्ट कंट्रीब्यूटर इन आवर लाइव्स फॉर ऑल लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस और ऑल मेजर डिजीजेस। जैसे आप कह रहे हो कैंसर का भी एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है कि
स्ट्रेस मोस्ट genetically it happens just 10%. 90% are the chances where it's because of happening stress and lifestyle. If people can manage their lifestyle and stress, like they can actually cure anything, any disease, but that is the most thing we actually sideline.
You have been lucky enough with जैसे mammography generally before 40s और 35 से पहले नहीं advisable होता कि we go for like mammography. Even I got my mammography done when I had my first child. I was like in my 30s at that time. So when I first had this lump, I felt a lump, and then like वो एक मेरे लिए बड़ा shocking था. And कई बार doctors ऐसे होते हैं कि वो they don't handle you so well. The moment I was at that doctor's place, they without even looking at anything or asking me anything, I was directly told कि कैंसर है शायद तुम्हें। तो इट केम एज अ शॉक। बट जैसे अब वही कहते हैं ना कि नॉट एवरीबडी विल गो फॉर मैमोग्राफी बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एट सच टेंडर एज वो हम मैमोग्राफी तो ऑब्वियसली डॉक्टर भी नहीं सजेस्ट करते हैं, बट यू हैव बीन लकी इनफ देयर कि आप यू वेंट इनटू राइट हैंड्स वेयर यू वर सजेस्टेड कि आप ऑन्को को मिले। So that was the best part. But कई ऐसे केसेस होंगे जो अनडिटेक्टेड जाते भी होंगे एंड देन वो बहुत बड़े लेटर ऑन स्टेजेस में पता चलता है।
No, until it reached second, last stage or third stage. Mostly cancer get detected in the third stage, and it becomes difficult then to actually cure it. You have to go for chemo. If you're in third stage, you have to go for chemo only. There's no other option then after. It cannot be cured through radiation or through normal surgery. It's the only first stage where you are very safe and you can play very safe. You can go for normal surgery and then radiation and then you can get cured.
अभी जैसे मीनू आप हम सब बात कर रहे थे कि मीनू को एक ऑटो इम्यून डिसऑर्डर है, शी वाज इवन नॉट अवेयर क्योंकि हमारे बीच में ये अवेयरनेस नहीं है इतना।
बट मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, it took me 6 months to diagnose my autoimmune condition, but so there are multiple type of conditions which people get through, but जैसे हम कैंसर का नाम सुनते हैं एक बहुत ही ज्यादा
बहुत बड़ा
डर,
phobia आ जाता है।
बहुत ही बड़ा फोबिया आ जाता है हम सबके अंदर।
Yes.
ओ माय गॉड, इट्स कैंसर।
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो वो फोबिया से डील करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव heard this from lot of people कि it's just cancer, instead
Yes.
of oh my god it's cancer. And let me tell you, abhi recently Hina Khan also detected
Yes.
with
And
cancer. She's taking it so well,
very nicely. Like
Yes.
she's spreading awareness in such a nice way, and there are people
I don't see that, stress on her face. I'm
Yes.
sure she's going through whatever she's going through. I'm sure it is difficult for her. But hats off to her strength, to
Yeah.
her confidence, and the way she's taking it up on her. And while all this, she's also creating an awareness.
Yeah.
So it is very clearly she's passing that message. It's just cancer.
Yes.
मैं
It's
चाहती
just
हूँ कि
cancer.
वो चीज जरूर हो. So you know how you are contributing to that factor also.
So I have started something called Cancer Siksha. So I can actually, make aware people about this. Ki cancer is just cancer.
Yes.
It can be treated like it's just a fever. Fever goes in 4-5 days, a maximum time circle. Here the time circle is not actually, we are not aware, but it'll go. You will pass it through. Like you have so many hurdles in your life also, you get through all these things. So it's also a hurdle, small hurdle which came, and you can actually go through with this. So I try and connect these people, like whosoever I get to know that they are cancer patient or they are not ready to go for. So there has been few cases where people reach out to me, like the parents or somebody, that they are not ready, their daughter or their kid is not ready to go for biopsy also. So biopsy is like people put their needles and then they try to take out some body part, like some cells, so that they can detect whether it's what stage or whether it's cancer or not, tumor is there or not. So that's the first stage to know actually whether you are cancer patient or not.
Okay.
But people get very afraid in that stage only, that what if we go in what if instead of thinking like if it is there.
But the
we'll
sooner
get
it
through.
is diagnosed,
Yes,
it is better.
of course. And people are not ready for it, and the major problem is acceptance. People are not ready to accept only that they got it.
No, it happened with me when I was diagnosed with my autoimmune condition. I wasn't ready to accept.
Yes.
I was like, ho hi nahi sakta. And then came the stage, why me? And I'm telling you, it only happened because I was not aware enough. And then when I started learning about it, when I saw that people, they got cure, they got better.
Yes.
That was the time, it took me 1 year to come in that acceptance mode. मुझे समझ में आया कि अच्छा, okay, it is just this condition.
Exactly.
हाँ.
But sometimes when we are saying that it's just cancer, you have to take it also when somebody is going through this or have been through this. So their body changes.
Yes.
After every therapy, every session, it changes.
No, but it's not for others.
Yeah, not
To
for
say
others.
that it's just a cancer. It's only for us.
Yes.
The person who's going through it has to be mentally very strong, because
Mentally very
that
strong.
person only will go through it.
I was taking a lot of psychiatric help that time because due to some reasons my family was they were supporting, but they were not talking to me in a position where they were supposed to be. And that's when I realized that I have to take psychiatrist help. I need to talk to somebody, because a lot of people, I wanted to document it the same way Hina is documenting it. I wanted it to be like this, but people who were there with me, they were like, you're just trying to gain sympathy, it's just a sympathy stunt, or what you'll do and this and that. So when you are already going through a lot of things mentally, physically, and emotionally, you are not ready to accept negativeness in
Yes.
your life, because a lot of things are going and people don't understand this thing. So first is like, you have to change your circle at the same time, where you get to know that you got something.
Yeah.
You want just the uplifters around you, because
Empaths.
yes, otherwise you will be always in the downfall, and you will never be able to come out of this by me or how I'll cure this. You can only become strong when you are around the strong people who are there to actually put positive energies in you.
Absolutely.
तो विनी, जो आपका ये कैंसर शिक्षा है,
हाँ.
तो इसमें आर यू प्रोवाइडिंग सम काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल सपोर्ट टू, और इज इट जस्ट द अवेयरनेस दैट इज गोइंग अराउंड, या आप ऐसा कोई टीम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या करना चाहते हैं वेयर यू विल बी लाइक हेल्पिंग पीपल आउट विद दिस थिंग, द इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन दे गो थ्रू ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, बिकॉज इट्स अ ह्यूज सेटबैक फॉर एनीबॉडी. कैंसर एक वर्ड ही ऐसा है जहाँ के सुनते, अगर मेरे आसपास किसी को भी हो जाए तो इट विल कम एज अ शॉक.
हम 2 दिन सो नहीं पाते हैं सिर्फ सुन के.
Yes, that's happened. And I am actually me, and there's another one girl. She has been through cancer. Akshya, her name is, and we are just trying to build a emotional support where we have came up with this idea that we'll conduct Google Meets for these people one-on-one, and we'll talk to them whosoever is going through cancer, so that they can feel relaxed, because at this point they just want them to be heard. Whatever they're going through, they just want people to be heard, and they feel more comfortable with those people who have been through same journey, and they feel that they're connected to them. So we're trying to develop that, but because of some reasons, we are not able to, because she is also busy and I'm also taking a lot of things. So that is the future plan, of course, and for now it's with the help of doctors and with the help of other team members in my team. We are just trying to develop the awareness right now, so that people get aware that what can cause cancer. Drinking coffee empty stomach, it can also develop cancer.
Really? But people
Yes.
are actually promoting on social media कि सुबह सुबह वो घी डाल के and coffee
No,
that
ghee,
gives
ghee
fat.
is something else. Ghee is a fat component, but when you're
So
having
they are adding it with the coffee, I believe. I've seen many
I've
people
seen that.
it's also
promoting
not
that.
good, like adding coffee with the ghee. It got promoted because of some I guess some influencer or some celebrity must have said that. But ghee is something else. Ghee you can have with turmeric water, but not with coffee.
Right.
It's
I think
caffeine.
nowadays people are obsessed with gaining weight and everything that they see on social media
Yes,
without
social media
the
is-
authenticity, they start following it.
Yes. You should consult your dietitian,
Yes.
or because everybody is different. It cannot behave in same way for everyone.
What is good for you may not be good for me.
Yes.
Exactly. And अब तो ज्ञान बहुत फ्री में बट रहा है YouTube पे और Instagram
the
पे
thing
इतना
is
ज्ञान है कि
But लोग सही ज्ञान नहीं लेते ना.
Yeah.
लोग कुछ भी
We
पकड़
as
लेते
an
हैं.
Indian, we just look for free का सब कुछ मिल जाए, free का सब कुछ मिल जाए, हमें पैसे ना
विनी,
खर्च
फ्री
करने
की
पड़े।
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर आपके ज्ञान पे 1 लाख व्यूज होंगे और 5,000 लाइक्स होंगे, तो भाई आपका ज्ञान ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक है, चाहे वो ऑथेंटिक ना भी हो. लेकिन अगर किसी और का ज्ञान जिसपे व्यूज कम होंगे, लाइक्स कम होंगे, उसका ज्ञान कम एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है लोगों से.
I agree, because this happens because there are so many fitness influencers you'll see
Yeah.
these days that I am somebody who is going gym for 15 days. They'll start saying that I'm a fitness influencer.
Yes.
But it's not like your body, you're looking fit is something else, but
You have to be
inside
fit from inside. Yes.
it's something else. So you have to actually consult somebody very nice, and there are people who are certified dietitian, who are certified trainers, and they are promoting. They don't promote anything just on the sake of getting the money. They promote good things. So there are few people, and I've interviewed few people on my show also. I've made my show so much health centric at a point where my boss came
Which
and
is
like,
very good. At least you're talking about it openly.
Yes.
And it takes a lot of courage to talk openly about your conditions, your diseases, especially a disease something like cancer.
और कैंसर का तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर वो सोनाली बेंद्रे, शी मेंशन के उनको जब कैंसर हुआ था तो लोगों ने उनको ऐसे देखना शुरू कर दिया कि पता नहीं उसने क्या गुनाह कर दिया होगा, कि उसने कुछ गलत खाया होगा तब उसे ऐसा हो गया. मतलब कि लोगों के बीच में ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यस,
that it happened because of you. There was some lady, she spoke to me, like some auntie only in hospital, and she like, "Ki, what happened to you?" I'm like, "Ki, auntie, I got cancer and all that." And I was sad then when I was sitting. I 15-20 minutes I was there that I got to know, and she was like, तुमने कुछ ना कुछ गंदा किया होगा किसी के साथ।
ओ मैं आपको एक और चीज बताती हूँ. सो आई हैड दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन जो मुझे लगता था मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है. ठीक है. When I got detected with autoimmune condition, so she is basically a very religious person, but उसके अपने बहुत ही strong beliefs है. I am a spiritual person.
Yeah.
I believe in God, but I have my own ways to show bhakti.
Yes.
ठीक है. Now the thing is, you know, you don't do things like this. तुम ना क्या कहते हैं बिना सर धोए भी पूजा कर लेती हो, दिया जला देती हो, and ये and वो, मतलब where this is coming
Exactly.
from? Where this is coming from?
And I heard somebody saying who don't know me. Like, you know, जब किसी के साथ कुछ गलत किया होगा because of this and happened.
I have heard things like, Vinny, what happened to your face? Oh my God, look at yourself because of those steroids and everything.
Yes.
I had acne, I was losing my hair, but अब इसमें मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. You know, दरवाजा खोला, what happened to you? ये तुम्हारी शक्ल को क्या हो गया? आई नो मेरी शक्ल को प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. आई डोंट वांट टू हियर अबाउट इट. आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. आई जस्ट वांट टू फील नॉर्मल. इज दैट सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड? दैट्स व्हाई आई से दैट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग थ्रू सम काइंड ऑफ कंडीशन, स्पेशली an invisible disease, you got to be around people who are empaths,
Yes.
who are understanding, supportive.
Of course. Otherwise, that's what, you know, your downfall starts.
Yes.
Exact the same.
मेरा तो
thing if you
बहुत
are
बड़ा
not-
डाउनफॉल आया था. 1 साल के लिए मैं डिप्रेशन में थी.
And depression is one thing that you cannot actually cure.
Yes.
You cannot cure until you have the spirit to deal with it. You are there for yourself. That's the thing. And to come out of depression, you have to learn and unlearn a lot of things. A lot of people also, you have to, you know, discard the, you know, your cart that, okay, these people are not good.
Cut the ties.
And not feel guilty about cutting the ties.
yes.
That is more important.
That is the most important.
Because when sometimes we start feeling guilty, हम उन लोगों को निकालते भी हैं, then also we'll start feeling कि
And I have seen that.
Treat
I've
it like
seen her doing
pleasure
that.
I'm eating a chocolate.
I have seen her doing that. जिन लोगों ने इसके साथ गलत किया ना, नहीं वो ना ऐसे एक टाइम पे ऐसे एक टाइम पे I was like, stop giving benefit of doubt.
So this procrastination is so much there in us, no? Because of this Indianness.
exactly, we have been brought up in such an atmosphere with such thought process.
We give, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है जिन लोगों ने मेरे साथ गलत किया, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है नहीं मेरे इमोशंस, मेरा प्यार उनको बदल देगा. अरे घंटा आप नहीं बदल. अगर वो इंसान गलत है तो आप उसको बदल नहीं सकते. वो गलत जानबूझ के, उसे पता है वो गलत है और वो गलत रहना चाहता है, ये उसकी चॉइस है. आप उसे ना तो आपका प्यार उसे बदल सकता है, ना आपका बिहेवियर उसे बदल सकता है, ना आपकी बातें उसे बदल सकती है.
There are people who have the toxic syndrome with them, and you do anything, like they'll be doing one thing good, but they'll make sure that they are not letting you come forward also. They want to be in limelight in themselves.
विनीत, जो आंटी की आप बात कर रहे हो हॉस्पिटल में है, वो हॉस्पिटल खुशी से तो आई नहीं होंगी. शी मस्ट बी कमिंग फॉर हर ओन डिजीज और विद सम रिलेटिव हु इज सफरिंग, एंड शी हैड दिस करेज टू टेल यू कि आपने कुछ गलत किया होगा. हाउ टॉक्सिक इज दैट?
And she was a cancer patient herself.
Oh my God.
She had cancer on her tongue.
Very bad auntie. Very
She was having
bad
cancer on
auntie.
her
Very bad. Not done.
And you know, I was at that point where I was feeling that, you know, I have to go through surgery and maybe my breast will get removed, because you get to the extreme level that, you know. So that was the thing. And then I spoke to one lady. She also went through cancer at very early age when she was like around 35 or something. And now she's 60s something. And she removed one breast of her because of the cancer. And I spoke to her and I was so feeling low that, you know, this is happening or something. And she was like, you know, why you have to think so much? It's just a body part. It's just a body part. Why you're treating it so big? You can live without a lot of things that you don't feel, or you feel like it's beauty standards are made like this. So you have to look certain way, but you look at yourself, you look already beautiful. If this body part will not be there, you'll still look good, beautiful. And that was so empowering at the age where she is, like, you know, 60, and she's saying this out, and she is a, you know, I got connected to her through another cancer patient. So there was a group, WhatsApp group was made by the doctor, and there were a lot of cancer patients who actually suffered and who were suffering. and these people were so empowering. They had so big amazing stories to share, and I was talking to them, and then I was taking consultancy also, and that was the most amazing part of my life, I feel.
No, I think you've been very lucky that you were surrounded with
Yes,
right kind of people,
people.
right kind of doctors, and you've been lucky enough.
Yes.
easy to go through. और ये जर्नी ऑब्वियसली इतनी इजी नहीं होती है, मतलब कि जो हम देखते हैं कि कैंसर वाला फैमिली या जो खुद एक कैंसर पेशेंट होता है, बिकॉज रिसेंटली आई लॉस्ट माई कजन सिस्टर टू कैंसर. शी हैड दिस ब्रेन कैंसर, सो एट वेरी यंग एज वी लॉस्ट हर. तो मुझे पता है कि वो पूरा फैमिली पे क्या बीतता है एंड उसका खुद का, बट देयर वाज दिस अमेजिंग स्पिरिट बिहाइंड हर. व्हेन शी गॉट टू नो अबाउट माय हेल्थ कंडीशन, शी कॉल्ड मी अप and she said to me, "रितु अपनी रिपोर्ट्स शेयर करो." because she being a doctor, she said I'll share. बहुत जने जो मेरे आसपास थे, मेरे खुद के थे, शायद उन्होंने इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया. She herself was dealing with that, so she could relate कि मैं उस टाइम पे किस स्ट्रेस से, because जब बच्चे होते हैं you start feeling that ways, you know, start feeling more negative about even small conditions. So she was very supportive. तो मुझे लगा उसने जितनी अपनी जर्नी, जितनी फाइट थी एज अ फाइटर वो लड़ी, एंड दो शी इज़ नो मोर एंड मतलब अब नहीं है, बट मतलब मैंने उसका करेज देखा था उस जर्नी के थ्रू कि कैसे उसने इस टफ बैटल को फाइट किया एंड स्टिल सपोर्टिंग पीपल. जहाँ की उसको खुद को एक सपोर्ट चाहिए थी. शी वॉज सपोर्टिंग मी विद माई हेल्थ कंडीशन एंड शी वॉज इवन पुशिंग मी कि ठीक है, अगर तेरा इतना डिटर्मिनेशन है, डाइट कर, व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक करो, मतलब कि डू इट विद अ पॉजिटिव माइंड एंड यू कैन फाइट एनीथिंग. मतलब कि कैंसर भी हम लड़ लेंगे अगर हमारे अंदर इच्छा है करने की. सो दैट वेज, सो इट इज लाइक अ जर्नी विच वी नीड टू फाइट टुगेदर एंड सपोर्ट ईच अदर टुगेदर. दैट इज.
And like, you know, there'll be people who will be putting you down, but you have to just uplift yourself. That's all it is about.
और आई थिंक हमारा ये पॉडकास्ट रात तक चल सकता है.
Because she inspires.
Yeah, because I think we all have something in common.
Yeah.
So that's why we all have something to say. So many stories to share, so many experiences. So.
And every woman at any age, they're so similar. Like they think in certain way only. They're not different from each other. It's just that you know the experience are much or less. Otherwise, they think in the same scenario, same rooted things, and like, you know, in and downs.
नहीं, बट मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया आपकी स्टोरी सुन के, आपकी जर्नी, आपका जो आपने कैंसर शिक्षा के बारे में बताया, वो हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड दैट यू आर हियर टुडे ऑन आवर स्त्री शी इंस्पायर्स पॉडकास्ट. I think it is one of the most inspiring, empowering episode of ours. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much for inviting me and having me here.
थैंक यू विनी, आप इतनी दूर दिल्ली से आए, हमारे शो का हिस्सा बने. आपने अपनी इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी से बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है, बहुत लोगों को अपनी हेल्थ के लिए जागरूक कराया है, एंड वी रियली थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ओवर हियर.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and it's like, you know, you guys are inspiring me so much, and I'm starting my podcast with you guys.
Yes,
so just be ready for that.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
We're excited for that one.
आप बोलो तो हम अभी आपके साथ दिल्ली चलने के तैयार हैं. So ये थी आरजे विनी हमारे साथ आज के स्त्री शी इंस्पायर्स पॉडकास्ट में, जिन्होंने अपनी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी से हम सबको बहुत ही ज्यादा इंस्पायर किया और बहुत ही एम्पावर किया. हमारे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड्स के लिए हमें फॉलो करें, सब्सक्राइब करें स्त्री शी इंस्पायर्स पॉडकास्ट.